Okay, for number 20, we are given a math contest question. And as mentioned, these questions are generally harder than the ones they give you from the standard textbook. So for 20, we have m and n that are positive integers, and m plus n equals 6. So in these questions, it always helps when you write down all your givens down. So m plus n equals 6. And what is a possible value for 3m minus 2n? So this equals question mark. So this is what we need to figure out. So there's always a trick in doing these things algebraically. And the first trick is to either isolate for m or n here. But I'm just going to isolate for m. So m equals 6. We bring the n to the other side and we get 6 minus n. We have a m right here, so let's plug this into that equation and we get 3 brackets 6 minus n minus 2n. That equals 3 times 6, which is 18, and 3 times minus n, which is minus 3n. And then we have that minus 2n here. That equals 18 minus 5n. And we want to know what 18 minus 5n equals. Well, how many values of n are possible? We have m plus n equals 6. And we both know that m plus n are positive integers. So when m equals 0, that means n has to equal 6. When m equals 1, n has to equal 5. When m equals 2, n has to equal 4. And then when we keep going, when we have m equals 6, n has to equal 0. So for all the possible values for n has to be from 0 to 6. So why not plot all those possible values into this equation? When n equals 0, 18 minus 5 bracket 0 equals 18. When n equals 1, 18 minus 5 bracket 1 equals 13. When n equals 2, 18 minus 5 bracket 2, 5 times 2 is 10, so 18 minus 10 is 8. When n equals 3, 18 minus 5 bracket 3 equals 5 times 3 is 15, and 18 minus 15 is 3. When n equals 4, 18 minus 5 bracket 4 equals 5 times 4 is 20, and 18 minus 20 is minus 2. And n equals 5, 18 minus 5 bracket 5 equals 18 minus 5 times 5, which is 25, which equals minus 7. And then finally n equals 6. 18 minus 5 bracket 6, which equals 5 times 6 is 30, and 18 minus 30 is minus 12. So these are all the possible answers for 18 minus 5n, which is the same thing as 3m minus 2n. And as you can see, do we have an 18 here? Nope. Do we have a 13? No. Do we have an 8? No. Do we have a 3? Nope. Do we have a minus 2? Yes, we do indeed have a minus 2. So far this one is the correct answer. But just to make sure, let's do the other two to make sure we did this actually right. So do we have a minus 7 here? We do not. And do we have a minus 12? So no. So E is the correct answer.